Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Strikingly site. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the page. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with the same code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign into your UserWay dashboard at userway.org, go to the top right menu, find My Embed Script, and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Strikingly. I'm in the Strikingly Site Designer. I'll show you where to paste your code. On the top left menu, you'll find 4 buttons. Click on Settings. Then, in the submenu of the new page that opens, go to the last item in the list and click on Show Advanced. Click on Custom Code. There are 2 tabs at the top of the Custom Code page. Header Code is automatically selected. Go select the Footer Code tab and paste your code in the text field below. Remember to click on the Save button under the text field at bottom left. You're all set. Now go back to the left menu and on the bottom left, right above the big Publish button, click on Preview Site to make sure your UserWay widget is installed and working correctly. At this point, if you like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.